entire trial was very, similar to the medieval, witch-hunt trial of Inquisition, where, you must accept that you confess that you went and, did bad things with it. What is happening to me, it's a pure political case.
You're in the process of appeal. What are you hoping for, legally and politically?
I have utmost known hope, because the way the system works, once you labeled and once you put to the so-called jurors' decision, so no judge or even Supreme Court would ever cancel that, because, this is the truth in the Uber state.
Victor, after you learned your sentence in court on April 5th, you turned to the DEA agents who were inside the courtroom and you said, God knows the truth, you know the truth. What is your message to U.S. officials today, and maybe even the U.S. president?
Well, I have a message for U.S. president. If he will keep using these thugs who have a name of DEA, drug enforcement agents, and they would invent the crimes, this would not only not help America to really solve the problem with the drug wars anywhere, but instead of going to the real problem and solve the real problem, they're just inventing the crime.
You were dubbed the Merchant of Death, the Lord of War. Do you think these nicknames ended up affecting your case more than they should have?
Of course. This is entire story is about. First you create the myth, and then you bring people who already saw the movies, who already read all this article, which not a single article brought any single fact about my wrongdoings. Look, with all their money, they went through all over the world, and they brought two pilots who confirmed that, yes, my company was engaged in the transportation, but it was a legitimate contract with the legitimate government of Rwanda.
But out of all the businessmen that they could have gone after, why do you think they went after you?
For them, doesn't matter whom they're going to pick up, because whenever they go spoon-feed this mainstream media, spoon-feeding the American population or creating the myth, they don't care whom they pick up.
We know that you've seen the movie about you with Nicolas Cage. What do you think about his performance?
I feel sorry for him that this is a very mediocre movie. Has a very bad, screen, and I don't think it's even interesting to watch, or it's a fair representation of the problem which exists in Africa.
Victor, if you knew you would be serving a 25-year sentence behind bars, do you think you would have done anything differently?
No, I don't regret nothing in my life, and I can see and face anything I did, because I didn't anything wrong in my life.